Hello, Warrior Nation. Today we're going to talk about Google Sheets and some of the functions and tools that you can use through Google Sheets. First thing we need to do is open our Chrome browser and come up to the top right-hand corner where our Google Apps button is and click. And then you're going to select Google Sheets right here. It's the green button with Sheets underneath. When you open this up, it's going to take you to the Google Sheets home screen, which just like Docs and Google Slides, it will save all of your different sheets. So here we have a test sheet that I created before. And when you open this up, it'll take you right to the Google Sheet. After it takes a minute to load, you can see here that the last edit on this Google Sheet was made 6 minutes ago. So if I make any keystroke, I can put in words, letters, numbers, anything I want, and it's automatically saved. But I'm finished with this sheet. I'm not doing any other work with this, so I'm going to click on this button here, just like the button in the Google Apps area. I'm going to click on this button, and it's going to take me right back to my Google Sheets home. And we're going to create a new Google Sheet. So here's my test sheet here. Now, to create a new Google Sheet, I can use one of these templates, but usually your teachers are going to want you to create a brand new Google Sheet. So I'm going to click on the plus sign just like I did for Google Docs and Google Slides. So it opens up to a new Google Sheet. After it's finished loading, now here we have our brand new Google Sheet. Before you do anything else, just like you would with a Google Doc or a Google Form, you're going to want to give it a title. So we're going to come up here to where it says Untitled Spreadsheet, and we're going to give this a title. We're going to call this Test 2. Now, as soon as I'm finished with that, you can hit Enter on your keyboard, or you can click down in the Google Sheet, and you saw here it said Saved. So this will automatically be saved to your Google Sheet home and to your Google Drive. Now, I want to show you a few of the things that are very simple to use in Google Sheets. If we come over here and we click on this button here, you see it says Functions. If you click on this, it gives you different formulas that you can put in to your Google Sheets. For some, it adds all the numbers up very quickly if you have a large list. You can find the average of that same data or any other data you need. You can count how many data pieces there are. You can also find the maximum and the minimum of a large set of data. Now, there are multiple other functions that Google Sheets offers. Look to your teachers for direction as to which formulas or functions that they want you to use. This button here allows you to insert a chart. You can use bar graphs, line graphs, whatever your teachers are requiring you to use. So you can click this button and it will automatically insert that chart. You can also get to these two buttons, not just here in your toolbar, but if you come over here to Insert, here is your chart button. Again, if we click on this, it'll open up the same box that would open if we clicked on this chart button. And here, our function tab here also has the same exact formulas and functions that we got by using this button. Now, with the Insert tab, you can insert images, drawings. You can insert a Google form that will put out responses also in a Google Sheet. Now, if you watch the tutorial on Google Forms, when you submit your answers in a Google form, they come out as responses in a Google Sheet. So that's some of the things that we use as teachers Google Sheets for. Now, there's another tab here, File, where you can actually make a copy of a sheet. So maybe your teachers will give you an example, and you can create a copy and put your own data in. Now, there are many other functions that Google Sheets can use. Those are just some of the few. Please reach out to your teachers if you have any questions about the directions they give you to use Google Sheets for. Reach out to the school with any questions as well. And as always, have a great day.